Hi everyone, my name is Mir Khan and this is my reflective speech. So what growth did I experience and take from this class and learn as a speaker? So I learned to be more confident when I speak, which amount of movement is the right amount of movement, and the proper volume and pace that I should be keeping during my speeches. So how will those things that I just talked about help me in my academic career? Being more confident will make me look better and sound more professional in my speeches, and the listener will actually trust what I'm saying because I won't sound like I'm winging it and making it up. Not swaying and moving so much will keep the listener engaged on me and my words instead of on my movements and what I'm doing up on the stage or in front of them. The better volume and pace will help listeners follow along and listen and actually retain the information because they can hear what I'm saying and it's at a good pace where they can keep up and actually comprehend the words. So how will these help me in my professional career? My professional career is I would like to be a veterinarian. I'm going to school to study vet stuff. So being more confident will help ease my patients' parents and they will know that I know what I'm talking about and that that their pets are in good hands and to trust me. Not moving so much will help with me getting steady hands for surgeries, taking blood, giving shots, other things like that. So steady hands is good, and not moving so much will also give ease to the patient's parents because when you're standing there just jittery moving around like that, you get like a little anxious and uncomfortable if someone's moving like that. So being calm will keep them calm and keep them less worried. So the volume will also help patients' parents hear me and understand what I'm saying. So if I'm talking to them and I'm speaking like this and they can't hear me, then how are they going to know what I'm saying? But if I project my voice and speak at a normal pace, then they'll understand what I'm saying and can grasp the information. Just like if I'm giving them instructions on medicines to give, then they'll understand that and they'll hear it instead of if I'm mumbling, then they'll think I said give 2 instead of 3 pills. So then their pet's not getting enough pills or they're getting too many pills. So it's things like that where volume comes in to get the point across. But yeah, these are the three most things that I feel will I learn the most and will help better me throughout my life and career. So thank you for listening and have a good rest of your day. Thanks.